there because this bush right here, every single spring and summer, it's a beautiful bush. It's one of those zebra striped bushes. But this thing gets so big to where it takes up this whole growing area all around here. And this is my walking path. And I can't even walk because this bush takes over this whole area. See where that bush is and where this stump is? It's all, this area is just engulfed in that bush. So what I'm going to try to do today is I'm going to try to take out as much of this bush as I can to kind of contain it, or if I'm good, I can get this whole bush out and I can relocate it in another part of my garden. Because remember, repurpose and reuse. And as you can see down at the bottom of here, it's been raining, so it's really soft. Because see, I've already taken my shovel and I can put it in there and see how I can lift it. See how I've gotten half of it out? See how it's moving? So that lets me know that today is the day to get this doggone bush out of here. So let me get to working on this bush, and then I'll come back and let you know how successful I was. Alright guys, hang tough. You can see I got all that zebra grass out and I cut it into chunks, and this is what it looks like. I got them in sections, and then I started digging out these daylilies because these daylilies up here becomes like a big massive like bush, like a jungle, and it just looks horrible. And this whole area is just engulfed with like a jungle like grass. And do you see at the top, I don't know if you can see it, but those arborvitae trees, I want it to be clean like that all the way down like this. And this is what I'm talking about, the daylilies. Let me see if I can show you. See those green things sticking up? Like right there. Sorry about my nail. But right there, that's those daylilies. And those things, if you don't know about daylilies, they're beautiful. They have beautiful flowers. But after the flowers are gone, those things just turn into like just a jungle of weeds. So Miss Renee is trying to get rid of all that. So in this planter here, I'm going to take all those daylilies that I just took out, which were here. See all these daylilies I have all the way up to the grass. I'm going to put those in there, and then I'll probably try to relocate them somewhere else in the garden. All right, guys, let me get this part done so we can move on to the next section. Whew, this is a lot of work, but it's a beautiful day. So if you have a day like this, you need to get out there and try to get some things accomplished. All right, daylilies, it's time for me to find you another home.